Maisie, Maisie. Nope, nope, nope. Wow, look at you. Wow, it looks big for you. Is it cool?
Yeah.
What do you tell Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
That is pretty neat. Look at how it spins around.
You're almost too little to reach the pedals.
You can't turn too sharp.
Look at that. Whoa.
That's not controlling.
You gotta go a little faster.
Yeah, I think you do.
Get up some speed and then turn the wheel over. There you go, now turn. Woo, there you go. Go, fling you.
The wheel got you? I think your tennis shoes might work better. I want to ride it.
Okay.
Okay, I think that'll work, Mom.
Say thank you.
Thank you.